Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add your Instagram feed to your Shopify store using the Dawn theme. Adding your Instagram feed directly to your store is a great way to showcase your social proof, engage with your audience, and create a seamless shopping experience. We're going to go over two methods to achieve this, so you'll have options based on what works best for you. Whether you want to use an app or a no-code widget, I've got you covered. Let's start with the first method, which is using a Shopify app to add your Instagram feed to your store. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard and click on the search bar at the top. Type in Instagram feed and hit enter. From here, you'll be taken to the Shopify App Store, where you'll see a number of apps that can integrate Instagram with your store. Some popular options are InstaFeed and GSC InstaFeed. Now, InstaFeed is one of the most highly rated apps with a 4.9 star rating, and it has both a free plan and a free trial available, so you can try it out before committing. It's a professional-grade app that allows you to display not only your regular Instagram posts, but also your stories, reels, and carousel posts. To start, simply install the app, and once it's installed, you'll be prompted to connect your Instagram account. You can either connect directly through your Instagram account or use Meta Business Suite if you prefer. Here's an important tip. Make sure your Instagram account is set up as a professional account. This will allow the app to pull your feed correctly and give you access to more advanced Instagram features. To switch to a professional account, just follow the instructions within the app. Once your Instagram account is connected, you'll be able to customize how your feed looks on your Shopify store. You can choose the layout, customize the styling, and select the posts you want to display. The app also allows you to choose whether to display only certain hashtags or posts from your account. Now, go ahead and decide where you want the feed to appear on your website. You can add the feed to your homepage, product pages, or even your footer. Simply navigate to the sections in your theme and click on Add Section. Choose Instagram Feed and activate it. The feed will automatically pull your Instagram content and display it in the layout you selected. It's really that simple. Now, let's go over the second method, which is using a no-code widget builder called ElfSite. ElfSite allows you to create custom Instagram feed widgets without needing any coding skills. It's perfect for those who prefer a more hands-off approach. First, head over to ElfSite and create a free account. Once you're logged in, click on Create to start building your Instagram widget. First, head over to ElfSite and create a free account. Once you're logged in, click on Create to start building your Instagram widget. Here, you can enter your Instagram username or choose to display posts from specific hashtags or accounts. Customize the layout, post styling, and design of the widget to match your store's aesthetic. Once you're happy with the design, click on Publish to generate the code for your widget. Copy the provided embed code. Next, head back to your Shopify store and navigate to the online store section in your admin. Select Themes, then click on Customize. Inside the theme editor, scroll down and look for the Custom Liquid section. This is where you'll paste the Instagram feed code from ElfSite. Just click on Add Section, then scroll to find Custom Liquid. Paste your copied Instagram widget code in the field and click Save. Once that's done, give it a few moments, and your Instagram feed should appear on the page you selected. You can adjust the placement of the section by simply dragging it to a new position within the theme editor. Whichever method you choose, it's always a good idea to preview your changes before going live. Make sure your Instagram feed looks great on both desktop and mobile, as it should be fully responsive on all devices. Also, remember to test the integration. Click through your feed, check for loading times, and ensure that all images are displaying correctly. And that's it for today's video. Now you know how to easily add your Instagram feed to your Shopify store using either a Shopify app like InstaFeed or a no-code widget from ElfSite. Both methods are quick, easy, and great for boosting your store's social proof. Feel free to drop any questions you might have in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tutorials and e-commerce tips. Also, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.